हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू कर्तव्यति क्लासेस। मैं ऋचा शर्मा आप सभी का आपकी इस क्लास में फिर से एक बार स्वागत करती हूँ। लास्ट क्लास पार्ट 1 में हमने देखा था प्लांट रिप्रोडक्शन। चलिए आज फिर से डिटेल में हम उसको स्टडी करते हैं। सो फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज व्हाई नॉट ओनली प्लांट, ऑल द एनिमल्स और ऑल द लिविंग बीइंग्स दे रिप्रोड्यूस. What is the reason behind reproduction? Why there is a need of reproduction? So we will discuss these points today. Then we will go ahead step by step in every part. You will be getting all the videos और जिसमें आपको in detail मैं आपको बताऊंगी. So please be with us. वीडियो को पूरा देखिए तब आपको समझ में आएगा. So without wasting the time now, I am starting. So what is the need of reproduction? Why do plants reproduce? So that day already we discussed the reproduction, means the production of same species from the parent is called reproduction. So what is the need? As we all know, we have lifespan, and after all the animal, living thing, all the living thing जो इस धरती पे आए हैं, one day we all have to die. सबके सब, इधर इट मे बी प्लांट, एनिमल और एनीथिंग, ह्यूमंस, दे ऑल विल डाई आउट वन डे. सो टू रिमेन द कंटिन्यूटी, उसके स्पीसीज को बरकरार रखने के लिए, उनके ऑफस्प्रिंग को बरकरार रखने के लिए, टू रिमेन दैट इन कंटिन्यूटी सो दैट देयर स्पीसीज शुड नॉट गेट लॉस्ट, they reproduce, and with the help of reproduction they are producing the same thing. तो आपको समझ में आया why there is a need of reproduction? Yes, reproduction is needed to maintain the continuity of a particular species. So this is the reason behind reproduction of plant. So plant reproduce by various ways, but the main thing is animal reproduce by sexual reproduction and plant with the help of asexual reproduction. So plant reproducing by various means of reproduction. Now I will be tell you what are those means of reproduction. So now we will do the reproduction. So we will discuss the different ways of reproduction. So पहला कौन सा होता है वे? With the help of seed. Plant reproduce with the help of seed. But क्या होता है ना, all the seed are not being germinated और वो एक plant नहीं बनता है. Some are eaten by insect, some with the help of like rain, water, sunlight, optimum condition नहीं मिलता है तो they get dried or they get destroyed. So most of the plant they grow from the seed. From seed they become seedling, and this seedling turn into plant. So the very first way of reproduction of plant is by seed. The second is with the help of root, stem and leaf. Plant gets reproduced or germinated from their root, stem and leaf. इसमें क्या होता है ना, this is free of seed. Here no seeds required. यहाँ पर क्या होता है ना, pieces of either root or stem or leaf, they are being cut. उसको छोटे छोटे पीस में हम उसको कट करते हैं जिसको हम stem cutting बोलते हैं, और उसके ऊपर above of that bud will be there and the plant they gets germinated from their bud. So तो इसका एग्जाम्पल ये किसमें होता है? You can see it in sugarcane, potato, ginger and many more. So these are the few examples which gets germinated from root, stem and leaf. And the third way of reproduction of plant is from old plant is from old plant. So the third way of reproduction of plant is from old plant. The example is tiger lily. इसमें क्या होता है, कोई एक पार्ट प्लांट का, like example this is a plant, these are the part. So any of the part, इसको हम plant से break कर लेते हैं and we plant this part into the soil and finally the plant gets germinated from this part. So this is the third way where from the old plant, we are getting the new plant. So these were the few ways of reproduction. Now in next video I will tell you the different ways and different method and different process and what are the threads of reproduction. So I will be with you in my next video. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Bharat Mata ki Jai.